Morning guys. Now today's vlog is all about Animal Kingdom. So if you want to see more, stay tuned for more shenanigans. Remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend. Yeah, cause over here, so me and my brother is gonna enjoy our day. It is currently raining, but it will stop. And yeah, our first day at Animal Kingdom Disney World. Second day fiesta. Stay tuned for even tomorrow where we go to. I don't know yet, but yeah, stay tuned for that. Tell another friend. Tell another friend.
Got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama.
We have to decide where we're going tomorrow, so we know exactly what to wear tomorrow, because we're kind of matching, but we're not really matching. We're matching, but we're not matching. Yeah. And it was not intentional. I just saw this shorts and I was like, you know what? I want to wear this today. And then it's perfect. Yes, perfect. Oh, perfect. So we're going to see if we can get the lightning pass, because we're not in it today. We're not doing it today. We are doing
110 minutes.
Not 100. Like, we want to experience all the rides. It's not like yesterday where we barely went on rides. It was good, but we want to experience more. Alright guys, so we just done do the lightning thing, pay for the lightning thing. We did it on, never know, so we could have do it online, but now we know how to. So we're going to do that today, tomorrow, and the other day, so that we can bypass out of the line, because we're not about that life. Okay. We are now here at guest relation because them give us the wrong pictures. So we're going to correct that, and then we're going to go to the safari after. So stay tuned for that, okay?
Love was just a lie, a way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love, and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that, like that, like that.
Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love the sound of it. Don't you hesitate, need you if
Yeah, we're going lightning lane, you know, because they're bush like that.
Okay, but what if it doesn't work?
It must work. It should activate. Guys, it feels so good to be in the lightning lane. We just bypass. The light, yeah, it's moving. It's not striking, but it's moving. It's better than the one that we were in yesterday. Look, there, you see, we passed them. It's going to mix right here, but at least we passed all of that. Passed all of that. Whoopsie.
What time of day was it? What's the weather outside?
Same and same.
Seek golden sheets, you're my remedy. Lose my sanity, making me believe I love the sound. But when you tell me I'm the only one, way you got me feeling makes me come undone. Baby, you make it look easy. Held tight, but you put me in your way. Don't you hesitate, need you every day. Get lost in you, you're my.
Nathan, how do you feel?
How do I feel about what? This entire vacation?
Yeah.
Too far.
Wait, it's too loud too. It's too loud, so I'll interview you another time. Go all the way to the end.
All the way into West Road. And we got the all clear from the warden, so we're going to be headed into the Little Ituri Forest here in just a second. Above your heads, there is an animal spotting guide, and that's to help you identify any animals that we might see here today on the
Are they gonna be real?
And I already noticed
They're gonna
the
be real?
greater kudu and the bongo on the left up on that hill, as well as some okapi in that back right corner.
I
A
don't
copy
see
of those beautiful white stripes on the
Where?
back of their legs.
Where? Oh,
Kinda
that one.
looks like they would be related to
Oh, yeah.
the zebra that they're wearing. But they're actually related to the giraffe,
real.
with
It's
those
actually real.
prehensile tongues that they both have. And on the left, the greater kudu has that lightish browny color. And the bongos are that more reddish browny color with those
Bongo.
beautiful horns that are pointed backwards. And that's to help them navigate through the underbrush of the forest. And that helps them to not get stuck in the dense underbrush of the forest. And on the left, I do notice a black rhino.
Left. Where is the? Oh,
Around
oh.
3,000
He's dead.
pounds.
Oh no.
And if that sounds heavy, it is. They are also grayish color, so it's hard to distinguish them from a white and a black rhino. But you can tell that it is a black rhino by the shape of its snout. And on the right, I already noticed some pink-back pelicans. They get their name from that pink coloration they have on their back, which turns an even brighter pink during their mating seasons. And they are colonial nesters, and they will nest in groups of 20 to 500 pairs. And on the left-hand side, keep your eyes peeled for anything we might see under the water.
Under? You see anything? There. You see it?
Oh, that.
It's a hippo.
And there
And
is
there's
a
some-
Nile hippo standing out of the water right now,
There you
which
go.
is pretty rare. They tend to stay submerged in the water throughout most of the day, but they do not have sweat glands, so
one in the
that's
water.
to
It's beautiful.
keep them cool. They stay submerged in the water throughout most of the day. There's another one swimming in the water over on the left as well. Nile hippos can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes long, and a group of hippos is
It's
starting.
crocodile.
And as we make our way on Rock Ridge, as we remain seated, we're going to go fully nice and slowly, so you get a good flavor.
Look, there's one in the water too. You see the one in the water?
Crocodiles in the world, the Nile crocodile.
Can you imagine someone dropping that?
Crocodiles are
Can you imagine the whole thing dropping it?
500 pounds.
See, we're running.
The Maasai giraffes are the tallest land animals in the entire world. They stand at about 16 to 20 feet tall when they are fully grown. And giraffes do spend most of their time eating throughout the day, so if you notice, they use those prehensile tongues of theirs to get to the tippy tops of the trees. lions are around 18 inches long. And on the left is the predator's den, and you'll see some painted dogs up close right on the left. The painted dogs are the most successful predators on the entire savannah, with a
Painted dog?
90% success rate in their hunting skills. And the painted dogs each have their own unique coats to help spot each other from a distance. And as we pass
They went
these
to Africa and
structures on
take
our
all
left
of
and
these
right
animals.
sides, they do look pretty cool. Does anyone know what they are called?
What? And something.
They are termite mounds, and they are as hard as concrete. And they're made of something that's pretty gross, but also pretty neat. Saliva and dung, most notably. And since they are very durable, elephants will use them as their own personal scratching posts.
This is
And that's
nice.
because they will sleep in rows, and it's hard for predators to tell when the group of wildebeest stops or starts. And in one migration period, the wildebeest will usually travel around 500 to 1,000 miles. And the group is usually around 1.5 million in total. And as we exit the savannah, on the left-hand side, some African elephants. You notice the flapping motion of their ears.
It's to find out where
That
flies.
helps to cool their bodies off by
Oh.
around 15 degrees Fahrenheit. I call that ear conditioning.
Air
On
conditioning.
the right, an eland, the largest antelope we have here on the reserve, standing at 6 feet tall from the shoulder down. And they can also jump 8 feet in the air.
That means they can jump in here.
To make our way through the bend in the water.
Nice water, color water.
Let's get another glimpse of those elephants.
Pretty. There's the
Elephants eat
elephant.
around 300 pounds in one day. I really wish I could eat that much. Sadly, I get full pretty quickly. Also, some greater flamingos as we make our way through the bend. The greater flamingos are the biggest species of flamingos, standing at about 5 feet tall when fully grown. And greater flamingos start out as white birds. They get that pink coloration from the food that they eat throughout their life, which are the brine shrimp containing the protein beta-carotene. And a lot of flamingos won't turn that bright pink coloration until they're around 1.5 to 2 years old. Does anyone know what a group of flamingos is called by chance?
I don't remember.
They're called a flamboyance.
Flamboyant.
Very funny name. And as we approach the Kobe Rocks, I do notice another
Lion.
big cat, female
Lion.
lion. You can tell it's a male by that mane it has around its head, about 40 pounds each. And that helps protect the male lion from any predators.
What if you run after us? Don't take out them teeth or something?
And lions are nocturnal animals, and they will usually sleep around 16 to 20 hours in one day. Some
How
white
can
rhinos
we,
on
like,
the right,
Me here.
you tell they're white
with
rhinos by
lions?
the shape of their snout. They are a bit wider
they have
than the
cameras
black
up there.
rhinos. Kind of looks like a lawnmower. One of my favorite animals here in the reserve is not only are they very cute, but they're also quite intelligent. You'll often see them jumping around the top of the building or on the trucks, or sometimes even jumping around on each other. And those behaviors of play provide a function for the goats.
Rank. It's
helping
really
them to
good.
develop their
Smell it?
brains.
That's one for curry right now.
And the goats not only provide the warden with food, but they do not take up much space on the farm. And it looks like we're approaching the outskirts of the village here. I do hope you've enjoyed your time here today on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. I know I did. Again, my name is Amber from Tampa. We got to see some pretty cool animals here today out on the reserve.
Gorilla Falls. What? What did you think about that safari experience?
Very good.
It was really good. Like
Especially
the
since-
first, I'm seeing like some of those animals.
At least I got some nature in my pictures. I
Mhm.
got some big buildings yesterday.
Yeah,
I got some very beautiful views on my phone
yeah.
ready to
Like I really enjoyed it. I'm glad it was the first thing that we did. So right now we're going to Gorilla Falls. Um, don't know what to expect. I hope we don't get dirty. Don't get wet. I hope so. Like, like honestly, that's the thing I'm thinking about. Getting wet and dirty, and then I hope no gorilla no really jump out. Can we? You get
The
me?
gorilla, no, they're gonna throw their dung.
Do what?
They're gonna throw their dung at you.
Well,
Throw their dung.
throw it down.
Yes.
What
No.
is-
Throw
This,
their
I
dung.
don't understand you.
You don't know
Further
what
down.
is. Dung.
Dung.
D-U-N-G.
I don't know what it
My
is.
days.
Oh my days. I don't watch those stuff. Remember?
Doo-doo.
Okay, duh. That's what you need to say. Doo-doo. Jeez. There's no food. If it does, what is it? Ew. Alright, yeah, naked alright. Snake. Oh yeah. The snake is under there. It's under the rock. He's like, what the hell are you doing?
You get a time lapse.
Dizzy and staring at it. You get dizzy staring at it? She's trying to touch the fish. Oh, now she sees it. It's a baby. It's big.
The baby zebras, Bob.
We're going to see the gorilla. He's in a cage. Boy, never been seen yet. First time, first experience with most of these animals. But guess what? Today I'm from Africa. If you hear the
What kind of accent was that?
Africa, if you hear the accent dropping, hey oh, I am an African. Hey, I'm back to my mother country. Oh, yes. I don't know. I'm just speaking. Hey, hey, this is shaking.
You're adding the O to every sentence.
Hey, yeah. Hey yo. What they're looking at. There he is. There he is. Everything is branded Mickey Mouse. You have slushies. Come, let's. I don't want nothing in here. It's $30 each. Palito girl, palito girl.
No, allow it. Oh my.
Come on, what's the birthday, guys? I got something for you. You know what we're gonna do today? A birthday song in Swahili. I want everybody to repeat after me. You guys ready?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Sikuya.
Sikuya.
Okay, you wasn't ready. I'll say everybody one more time. Sikuya.
Sikuya.
Kuzaliwa.
Kuzaliwa.
Sikuya.
Sikuya.
Kuzaliwa.
Kuzaliwa.
Sikuya kuzaliwa.
Sikuya kuzaliwa.
One, two, three, clap. Sikuya kuzaliwa. Sikuya kuzaliwa. Happy birthday. Hey guys, thank you everybody. That was the karaoke show. Wherever you go, please.
Sikuya. We're in Asia now. This is Asia. You have Starbucks. Starbucks is in Asia. These are our brownies code. Hmm? You said you wanted Starbucks. You still want it?
Let me take that.
Hmm? The line is long. It's time for Africa.
It's been so long I didn't see you on my.
Perfect. Can you pull yours for me, buddy? Perfect. Thank you, everybody.
Look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. Look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything.
This will be nice in the night.
I said you made it good.
This is not me. I got so. Wow. No, this is not funny.
I can't even use my phone no more. Bro, I can't use my phone.
I told you to put your phone up. My bag is so. Look at this.
My head the first day.
You want it to. I am so. And I didn't. Look, I am so.
No, terminé
This is not funny.
completamente, papá.
But this is it?
Oh my God.
We did all that just to get wet?
Yeah,
5 seconds to get wet. Wow. We weren't prepared for that. I am soaked. Literally soaked. So I'm learning, we're learning right now, and we're learning from our mistake. Tomorrow this not gonna catch you. So we came here late, right? But then we booked the lightning thing and we didn't reserve the things, right? And because of that we cannot go. So we have to reserve the rides. So tomorrow we're going to reserve everything so that when the time comes we don't miss anything. So now we have to go in standby because they're not taking any more reservation. And we really want to go on this ride, so we're just going to standby. So tomorrow this night catch you.
Mom, you're in the vlog. Mom, you're in the vlog.
Where we need to go? Imagine having the light down. It's cold. We're finally here. Thank you, Jesus. Huh? Oh, Jesus. There's another line. Finally! Yes. Finally. Ooh, it's actually nice in the night.
You should ask how long this ride is.
Not long. You know, no, none of the rides are long. Are we gonna get wet? Huh? Why not? Sorry. Use your phone. I use my one-on-one plan because I don't think it's gonna pick it up. But you're not gonna video. You're gonna video it long way. I don't want it to be.
Then I'll do it. I'll do it soon. So give me your phone as well. I want mine.
So take it. You know what? I'll just use my phone. Mine is not 4K. No, my phone is 4K. 8K.
You have to change
I'm gonna put it on 8K.
You have to change the other.
I put it on 8K. 8 is better for real. 8. Way better. Shut up. Still better. It's a part. Look. It's a person. Why does it look real? Why does it look real?
Welcome back, travelers.
It's tracking your head now.
Is it really tracking me?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Right, what? I think it's because you move too fast.
Like, because they it's seated area. Like they do events and stuff, right? You see? It's like a water sports thing.
We're finally back to the rich people lifestyle.
Yeah, because that standing in line is not us. This is not that's not us.
We're not in those peasantry lines.
Yeah, we're not in those peasant lifestyle. We're not used to that. Like, God. Yes, we're burnt out. Just one ride, but we really wanted to go on to that, and we're glad we did, because I got to see the Avatar lady. But I don't think it was worth it standing in the line. But yeah. Huh? Huh? Dinosaur. Yeah, because yeah, dinosaur. It's gonna be a quick ride. It's just gonna go up and down.
Well, at least we're on the line for 1 second.
We can definitely go to dinosaurs.
Attention expedition members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag.
It's already.
Video mirror, no eye
The
video.
line one was
Put your phone in your, it's gonna go down. Put your phone in your back. It's going back way. It's going back way. Put your phone in. Oh God, he broke. He's gonna go back. Go back. Wait, it's all right. It's gonna go now. They're preparing. What's wrong?
This is the best part
Oh God. Do it again. The best ride is that mountain behind us. It was crazy. It wasn't too scary, but it was good. Because the thing is,
the G-force was just crazy.
the part is when they took us back way, because we didn't expect it. And then it went all the way down. It was good. And we wanted to go again, but then we can't. That mountain, you guys definitely could go there. It was great. I loved it. But we couldn't do it again. Yeah, we should have done it first. Then maybe we could have booked it again. They said one time. But then I'm glad we did it now, because at least, because if we booked it first, then everything would be like nothing. Because this one is the best experience. I'm glad we didn't miss it.
Yeah, but we might miss dinosaurs.
Well, at least we're going to
I've
try.
seen people getting out. That's it.
Yeah, we're going to try.
And then walk to the exit gate. Bye-bye.
You think we're coming out, you know? We didn't even go USA. It's closed.